Hey, what's going on, guys? It's Big Green here from Boomer Gaming, and today, guys, I am going to be testing out a new game that I downloaded, Asylum Free. It's got the clown on it right there, as you guys can see. I haven't played the game, but from what I've gathered, it's kind of like a Five Nights at Freddy's horror survival game. And I'm also downloaded Malachi, which is right beside it on the left, and that's supposed to be like one of the hottest jump scare games, and I'm going to test that out a little later on, and I'll record that. For right now, let's jump into Asylum. Jesus fucking Christ, that was... Ah, what the fuck? Are you out of your mind? Jesus fuck. Okay, Asylum Night Shift. Let's go ahead and jump into this. I'm going to turn this down a little bit. Drop that volume some because that shit is killing me. Job vacancy: night shift security guard needed at Ravenhurst Mental Asylum. Working hours 12 a.m. to 6 a.m. Fuck. Monitor security cameras, operate map control panel, protect patient welfare, good working conditions, full training provided, apply direct. Okay. Alright, sounds like a... What the fuck is this crap? Oh, this is some advertisement. Okay. Let's go ahead and close that shit. 12 a.m. night 1. Okay, I wasn't trained on any of this. Food hall and recreation.
Hey, buddy. It's Jake here, down on level 2. Welcome to the madhouse. I'm sure you'll feel right at home here.
I'm leaving
I
that
have
fucking
no idea why they put you on the high security floor for your first shift.
The fuck?
But thankfully, there's only one patient up there tonight. Mr. Giggles. Mr. Giggles used to be a children's entertainer. He was a favorite at kids' parties up and down the country. Until the kids started going missing, that is. It turns out, Mr.
why is there
Giggles
blood?
isn't the cheerful entertainer his name would suggest. Anyway, I doubt he'll cause you much trouble tonight. He tends to keep himself to himself these days. But if he does break out of his cell, a warning light on your map console will let you know. It's a good idea to activate the tracker device if this happens. The tracker device battery won't last all night, though. Once it dies, you'll just have to watch the cameras to keep track of what Mr. Giggles is up to. The doctors tell me that since his lobotomy, Mr. Giggles is completely harmless. And I wouldn't chance it. Use the map console to open and close the automatic doors around the asylum to stop him from getting to your security room. There's a technical problem right now, though, which means only 3 doors can be closed at any one time. David Maintenance is working on getting it fixed. Well, that's what he told me anyway. Well, that's it.
Door into
You're all ready for your shift. Keep an eye at that warning alarm on your desk, too. It'll let you know if Mr. Giggles is in the hallway outside your room. I'd suggest you shut your door pronto if it goes off. Okay, buddy. Training over. Enjoy your first night.
Okay, that was, the fuck? Oh, shit. Went into the doctor's office? Oh, hell no. Oh, shit. Where's he at? Where's he at? So come in here, you motherfucker. Fuck them cameras, yo. I'm watching this damn door. If that light flashes, that motherfucker said that door is closed, and I don't care. Fuck this dude. Fuck this clown motherfucker. What up, Mr. Giggles? You really don't want to do that. I promise you. No, you're not. Fuck out of here. Fuck out of here. Oh, hell no. Hell no. Close the fucking door. Shit. I don't like this. Where is he at? Nope. Nope. Go away. Go away! Is he still out there? Please tell me he ain't out there. I'm just fucking swiping through these cameras. Don't you be out there, you son of a bitch. Alright, he ain't there. Damn it, signal lost. Fuck! I don't like you, Mr. Giggles. Go away. This is a nasty ass looking fucking mental asylum. I mean, come on. Oh, hell no! Fuck, dude, I jumped. I actually jumped when I saw him. I was like, ah, God! Where you at, you giggling motherfucker? Shit. Nope. Get away. Go away. Only got 2 more hours. 2 more hours and I can do this shit. Oh man, I can do this. I can. Oh man. This shit's actually bad. Like, this is pretty badass. Actually, oh, there you, I see you there, you motherfucker. Map, northwest hallway. Where's the hallway? Where's the hallway? Shit. Oh damn, I lost him. Alright, that's 5. He can make 1 more attempt. He's gonna make at least 1 more attempt. Up there he is. He's in the recreation room. Come on, keep. Oh shit, he just teleported? No. Okay. Whew. Oh man, that was what the fuck is this shit? Oh, that looks fucking crazy. That looks bad right there. But yeah, that's whatever. I'm not gonna fuck with that one. But oh man, that was fucking intense. I actually like that. That was a really good game. I think I'm gonna let that sum up this episode, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed. Leave a like, leave a comment. Don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you guys later.